What's behind your back, Kevin?
Oh, hi there. It's the new Blue Jay on a branch bird kit. Not only is there the lovely Blue Jay, Cardinal, there's a goldfinch, there's a hummingbird, isn't that cute? There's a scarlet
Tanager?
something like that. Parrot, look at that, lovely.
Huge parrot.
Owl, we'll be making one of those up very soon, just for around here. A small nightingale that's got a double branch configuration. And MIDI Birds 3.
A new kit.
Cardinal, kingfisher, and a woodpecker?
Yeah.
Cool. So if you want some, you know where they are. Stained glass stuff.